In this video, we're going to talk about the Star Atlas Showroom. So, Showroom is a place that is a 3D environment where you can look at your ships, play Star Atlas, walk around the different environments. So, the way to get into this is first you actually have to install some software on your computer. So, the best thing to do is start to go to the Star Atlas website, so staratlas.com. Once the website's loaded, go ahead and just click the Play Now. And to find out more information about the showroom, it's not yet one of the icons on the left side, but if you look at the different panels that are here, one of the panels will be the showroom. So just go ahead and click on those panels until they slide. Okay, we'll find the showroom panel. Again, the thing to make sure to remember is the showroom is pre-alpha, so it's very, very early. Again, it is built on the Unreal Engine 5, so that's why we have to install some software. They do have some minimum requirements here for the different CPU, video card, and RAM you need on our computer. But if you're ready to go ahead and click the Download PC. This is actually going to take you to the Epic Games Store, where the actual software for this part of Star Atlas is. So once you get into here, there's some information you can look at in the Epic Games Store. So as you scroll down here, you'll see different information about it, where the Discord is. Again, this is an early access game. It does use blockchain and NFT technology. So what we're looking for here to install it actually is to go up to the top and you'll see the download button. So go ahead and click on download. And that will download the initial installer for the Epic Game Store. So once that has completed downloading, go ahead and click on the icon to install that. And go ahead and take most of the defaults here that we do want to install this in the folder. Okay, once it looks like it is fully completed, then you can go ahead and find the Epic Games Store. Different ways to do it. We'll just go ahead and go to our Start menu. And there we have the Epic Game Launcher added here. But again, this could be different depending on which kind of computer you have. So we'll go ahead and start the Epic Game Launcher. And we'll see that it's downloading and verifying some updates. This may or may not happen when you download that. Okay, next it's going to install some prerequisites. Okay, once those are all installed, then you need to go ahead and either sign in if you already have an Epic Games account, or you need to go ahead and sign up now. So I'll just start you through the sign up process, assuming that you don't have one. So go ahead here and click sign up. There are many different methods you can sign up. I'm just going to choose email. So at this point, I'm going to pause the video and go ahead and create my account, but assume that these are just standard questions you need when you create things. And once you've completed that registration or logged in, you'll be able to continue on through. And we are now in the Epic Game Store. So to summarize again, we have found the link on the Star Atlas website to install the Showroom game. That game is provided through the Epic Game Store. So we went ahead and created an account, logged in, downloaded, and now we are in the Epic Game Store.